You see my sister in the car right now. I'm just gonna teach her how to drive. She has a G1, but she doesn't have her license yet. And my parents tried teaching her, but they kind of gave up with her because she's like very hard to teach, or like she doesn't want to listen. So I'm the last hope, you know. So let's just see how this goes. So just pray for me. Okay, I'm recording now. So yeah, what's the first step yet? What's the first step you actually do? What's the first step?
Your seatbelt.
Okay. Next step.
Mirrors.
Yeah, your mirrors adjusted?
No.
Well, first turn the car on. You turned the car on before. Don't you know how to?
This is not on?
No, I mean like turn the engine on, car on. You know how to do it. You don't hold it for too long, right?
Yeah.
Do it.
I'm scared.
You did it before, right? Like, go. Yeah. Okay. Now, just adjust all your mirrors. And your seat's adjusted, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so... I'm scared. So you know how to like do it, right? Like, you know how
what
to...
do you mean? Like...
Okay, so you know how to get a park...
So,
use this stuff?
hold down the brake?
Hold on the brake. That's the brake.
Yes.
And going... Okay.
You need... Teach!
I'm nervous. Press the brake. So you have to get out the spot, right?
Yep.
So you press the brake and you have to go into reverse, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when you're reversing, in like an automatic car, you don't need to press the gas.
Yeah.
Just ease off the brake a little bit. So I want you to go back, and I want you to face the car that way. And make sure you watch behind you, like if there's ever any cars. You're supposed to be turning already.
Oh, really?
Okay. Okay, that's fine. You want to drive now?
Oh, why is there a car?
That's fine. And I want you to turn right here. And you have to signal.
Turn right?
Yeah, turn right.
But...
What?
Why?
Just when you're driving here, just use the brakes. Don't use the gas.
Okay.
You don't have to make it so slow.
You said don't press the gas.
I know, but you can like... Oh, you're not?
I'm not.
Okay, never mind. Okay. So just turn right again.
Okay.
Signal.
Yeah.
Can you press the gas a little? You go straight and then turn right again. And when you're turning, just make sure you look. There's no stop sign here, but
yeah,
just make sure you look all the time. I think those people learn how to drive too.
That's so embarrassing.
Who cares?
Okay.
Keep going. Go a little faster now.
Okay.
Just make sure you have control of your pedals. You see a stop sign?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Whoa.
Okay. Yeah, so, yeah, just come out and face the car this way.
Okay, so I'll be turning
No. Turn the wheel the other way.
this way. No?
Yeah?
If I'm...
You want to face the car that way?
Yeah? Oh. I'm literally... Oh, so it's the opposite way?
Yes.
Oh.
No.
Okay.
So I just want to check something. Just go. Just drive. Just go. Keep going. Did you do that?
No.
Okay. That's fine. Okay, press the brake. That's my fail safe, just in case you can't stop.
So I didn't do that.
I know, it's the e-brake I pressed.
A real driving instructor.
So, okay, so I want you to back in to this one right by the sign here. When you back in, you don't stop in front of the spot. You stop a little bit ahead.
Yeah.
And then you turn the wheel. There's two ways to back in, but the basic one I'm gonna show you.
Yeah.
You stop a little bit of ahead to the next spot, or you're too close. You have no space to reverse, or forget this spot. You have to stay a little further away. Okay, that's fine. So come into this parking spot.
What do you mean?
You have to reverse into this parking spot. So drive to that second spot there, right here.
Right here?
Keep going. Keep going. Okay, stop. No, keep going a little bit more. Okay, stop. So now turn your wheel all the way to the right. And reverse. And now go back.
I will never reverse in my life.
You have to.
You literally can't see nothing.
Okay, keep going. You have to look in your mirrors too.
True. That is really true.
Okay, so are you straight within the lines?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, you have to straighten up. So you know what you do when you straighten up? You see mom straighten up all the time?
Try.
Mom does this all the time. She straightens up. No, that's not straightening up.
Why?
You have to go straight. You're not.
Oh, like but
Straighten up.
straight.
Oh my god. Okay, go back. Go back again. Because you would have caused traffic right now.
That's why I will never reverse.
You have to reverse. Because if you go front end all the time, you're gonna be stuck in your parking spot sometimes. So, okay, stop.
Yeah.
Go into drive. And straighten up so you're aligned with this parking spot here.
Oh, it's identical?
I think so, yeah. But sometimes it's not. So you're straight now.
Okay.
Now back up. You have to look. Okay, straight. Go straight. Look at your wheel. It's not straight.
What's straight? Like
Your
this?
your wheel has to be like this. It was upside down. Okay, go straight. Keep going. Turn the wheel to the left a little bit.
Wait, I literally can't even like.
You're not supposed. No. You're not supposed to make those go low to the line. Like it helps you a little bit, but you don't have no blind spot mirrors, so you just have to like go based off like a little bit of the mirrors. So go back more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, stop. Go a little bit more. No. When you're doing that, you don't just like ease off. A tiny bit more. Okay, stop. Park. Let me check. It's not bad. Like you go a little bit further, you're a little bit crooked, but it's fine for the first time. Okay. In the video. Yeah. So.
Hold it so they could like bud.
So we've driven for like almost an hour. I don't know how long. I don't know, but she's been driving good so far. We're gonna go on the road. Oh, you want to show them my my. So this is
When I park good. when I park good, he comes out of the car, and then he does. No.
I give her a B+ on her.
B+ for parking.
No, not B+, B. I'll give her a B on her driving. So.
What? For first time?
Yeah. just stop,
Yeah.
and then you have to turn right. You stop, turn your signal on, and just make sure you can creep and check. Okay, go up a little bit so you can see. A little bit. Can you see?
Yeah.
It's clear. Go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
So go. Stay in the right lane. Speed limit is 50. So go, just go 50. Just don't go over 60. That's all.
Well, 50's slow.
Okay. I have like 17 minutes left of recording. So. Okay. Okay, like just look at the camera and look.
Do it again.
Because you know how you look in the mirror and you try to catch yourself, but you can never catch yourself?
Yeah.
Look at here.
It's such a disgusting angle. I'm waiting till everybody.
No, I'll tell you when to go.
I'm waiting for the
You
red
creep,
light.
creep up some more. You can creep up some more.
Oh, heck. I'm not doing that.
Creep up some more, I said. Don't, I didn't say go.
No, I know.
Stop. I'll tell you when to go.
Like after that last car.
After the Hyundai. Okay. Yeah, go. That's the rule I do. And if I'm not sure, like I just wait. I'll make a commitment.
Yeah.
Like after that car, I'll go. If you hesitate,
Yeah.
don't go. Okay, you go in the left lane.
Oh, I forgot to say.
Do you check too? No, I mean you check when you made the lane change.
No, I should have. Here?
Yeah, turn left. So you didn't make the arrow, so you have to wait.
Oh, left hand turns here is actually.
Yeah, it's not busy, so you'll be
Yeah.
fine. So when you're making a left, you have to stay somewhat in the middle. So drive up a little bit more. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. I'll tell you when to go. And when you're turning, you have to make sure you check no one's walking here, okay?
Yeah.
So don't go yet. Okay, go. That's fine. Go, go, go.
That was fine. Okay, left hand turn is not that bad.
Yeah. Yeah, just keep going.
Straight?
Yeah. Oh shoot. You don't feel nervous with all these cars around you, right?
No.
That's fine. So I have to wait till I take you on the highway, and that's when like.
Oh.
Okay, so right now we're at Home Depot right here, and I didn't drive; she drove. You know, I'm surprised myself. I know my mom and my dad would they told you not to take the roads.
Yeah. No main road.
No main roads, but we did. So, I didn't know that, but like I just wanted her to learn as much and as best as possible. You have to get out of your comfort zone to like learn. So, I'm trying to make sure we're doing everything safe. There were some idiots on the road, but you have to learn about idiots too, because sometimes idiots can make you like drive differently. Like driving on the road's not
More
perfect.
cautious.
Yeah, driving on the road is not perfect, so I'm just teaching her that. So I'm gonna make her drive back home. Hopefully get back home safe, you know. She's confident, but we're still not 100% there with driving, because there's always still room to learn. But yeah, you want to say bye?
Bye.